Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your video resolution in Adobe Express. In order to do that, first of all, you have to log in into Adobe Express. After that, you have to start from your content or just simply click on this plus icon. Now, from here, you can just simply customize the size of your blank page, or you can just select the square. Right now, I will just select the square, but if you choose the start from your content, it will redirect to your uh, file manager. So you can choose your video which you want to increase your video resolution. Now I will just simply choose this square option, or if you want to upload your own video to increase your resolution, just click on the upload button. From here you can upload your video as well, so it's not like that. So right now I will choose the already media. I will just simply upload a video from my device, and I will just simply click on the upload button and select the video and upload over here. Now as you can see here, he has uploaded the whole video. Now this is the whole video. Now if you want to increase, just simply click on the share button. Now you have to download this video from this page. Now just simply click on the download. Now from here you can choose file format. Now from here you can choose the resolution. Now I will download the 4K. Just simply click on the 4K and click on the download. So this is how you can increase your video resolution in Adobe Express.